Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide sections on your Wix website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am using Wix Studio, and I'm using the editor for the studio version. You can use the classic version just as easily. I'm pretty sure it is the exact same process. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am in the editor for one of my sites, and I currently have one of my sections highlighted. I'll just unhighlight it for a second just to show you guys. So as you can see, if I mouse over it, it is highlighted, and I'm going to click on it, and I get this menu right here. Now what you're going to want to do is click on the ellipses or these three dots, and you'll get this menu. And as you can see, somewhere in the middle, right under switch to advanced CSS grid, you will see hide. And if you click on it, as you can see, all the elements of that section have been hidden. And now I can figure out how I could then bring it back. If I go here and click hide, it's going to hide the other section, and let me just demonstrate what happens there. And as you can see, that entire section has been hidden, and I really don't know how to get it back without, of course, undoing the changes. So you're gonna have to write in the comments to give me some tips, since I really don't know. But yeah, that is pretty much how you hide your sections. Now if I go to undo, as you can see, Control Z, it's supposed to bring it back. There we go. And there we go. And that's literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.